Guys, please flour your board, your rolling pin, and also your pastry in order to handle your pastry properly and also to prevent sticking. And also, guys, please take time out to properly roll and fold your pastry, applying the butter and lard as shown in the video. And guys, I will leave as much detailed information in the instruction area in order to get you to make a great patty. I'm truly excited at this point, guys. I like the color of the pastry. The lard, guys, the lard from the Tender Flakes box. This is where you get, I'll be getting the patty to be flaky, okay? Guys, I must say that it is very important, guys, you spend time preparing the pastry. This is where most of the work comes in, guys, and it will be all worth it at the end. We're rolling your pastry and applying the butter and the lard. You will get a flaky pastry at the end. It will be all worth it at the end, guys. Take time to roll your pastry out properly. Flour the surface some more and then roll again because of all that butter that I put in lard. For 15 more minutes. The next time I take it out, then I will be putting the filling onto the pastry, onto the dough here. So guys, I blended the meat and now I have a perfect texture. All the onion and garlic and everything that was cooked is blended in. Meat was, guys, so lumpy, didn't look professional. I think this looks more professional. You guys, smooth. So guys, now it's time for me to give the dough a final roll. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly prepare my egg wash. I break an entire egg and I'm just beating it. That's my egg wash. If I can just flatten this out a bit and guys, as you can see, my pastry is very thick. Notice how thick it is. Please make sure you roll your pastry out flat, guys. It was like 1 in the morning and I think I hurried it off. edge here to make it look presentable. And then guys, I'm gonna be putting it on this baking tray here. And I had the fork in the flour. Seal it. Seal the edges. And my meat smells good, guys. It smells like patty, like I'm at the patty store. Okay guys, I might not get the perfect shape, but the most important thing is that my pastry will be flaky. That's the most important thing. And see guys, look at this pastry. Look at the pastry. You see the layers already? So I should be getting a flaky pastry, guys, because I worked hard. You saw me work hard on this dough, guys. See, it's good to measure too much meat. So the fork in the flour. Okay, I have my flour here, guys. I'm dipping the fork in. Seal it with the fork. And I like to also prick my pastry sometimes, just a bit. And some people use water to seal it, not egg wash. They use water here. Too much meat, guys. It's looking a bit bulky. Now guys, for the egg wash, and then I'll place it in the oven. It's preheating at 400, but I'm gonna egg wash to give it a nice golden color. So guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I'm gonna put it in the oven, 365 degree for 25 minutes. I'll check it in 20 minutes, guys. So I have 2 of them prick and 2 of them not prick. I'm gonna keep the extra here in the refrigerator because this is not gonna go to waste. I'm gonna wrap it up in plastic and keep it in the freezer. So guys, as you can see, I'm wearing my Jamaica coat of arms shirt, and the patties here are piping. They're very hot, like really hot. I have to be careful. They're smelling good. They're smelling delicious. To be honest, guys, I'm happy with the taste. I'm happy with the filling. And okay, let me break it. Should I break it or cut it? Okay, let me cut this. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Not bad. I'm giving you an honest opinion here and just breaking it. It's not bad, the crust, see? Not bad, not bad. There it is, guys. I'm gonna taste it for you to see. I did taste it before. It's good. It's great. I haven't made patty in the longest while. To be honest, I made patty only once, and that was in school, and that was cocktail patty. Okay, it's the first I'm making like a patty this size. I made cocktail patty, and see, the crust is not bad. The flaky pastry is not bad. Let me taste it. As I said, I tasted it before. It's great. Guys, comment down below if you bake patties before, and comment down below and let me know what is it that I did wrong. Okay, but in my opinion, I think the pastry needed to be rolled out thinner. This is like tasty patty, guys. Honestly, it tastes like tasty patty. Why should I not mention tasty patty is good? Because whenever I bake it, it crumbles. If your patty is crumbling, the pastry, everything is perfect, guys. Everything except, you know, the fork into the patty. Yeah, the fork into the patty. I did not see that impression on the outside then. But other than that, it's great, guys. I did nail it with the filling. And I did blend out the filling, guys. I blended it out. I showed you. So you don't have those big chunks of meat sticking up, guys. It is delicious, I'm telling you. Cut my plate, my thing here. If I have flakes going on down here, this patty is good. I will give the taste of the patty 100. Trust me, the taste 100. And the color I would give a 90 or even 100. But in terms of the impression on the outside of the you know, when you work with the fork there, I would say that I needed to roll out my pastry some more. But I didn't do too bad making this flaky pastry, to be honest, guys. It's better than I thought. Look at this. The thing is, my filling, the only way I wouldn't mind the filling being this way unless you're putting cheese in it. They say that you have cheese patty, and the cheese patty you would open it up and put the cheese on the inside. Guys, comment down below and let me know how much you rate this patty, because like no, this patty tastes like tasty patty, guys, honestly. Look at the flake. You see the flake? See? Please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I'd like some feedback on this patty. That's what matters to me, guys. That's where most of the work comes in, to get the pastry flaky. But I've been to some places, trust me, and their patty is nothing near this. Nothing near this. Look at this. Look at the pastry. I'm happy. I'm happy, truly. Look. Thanks for viewing the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified when a video has been uploaded. Delicious. Right. And with the cheese patty, oh Lord, I'm just gonna be opening up this, guys. Reheat it and put cheese inside, and then there you go. I have cheese patty.